Hold on. Look, watch. Put the screwdriver on that side. There it is. Now watch, because usually that has a lot of oil that's held in the back of it. This is drained, so just throw it down there somewhere. And then there's the timing chain, which comes down here. And then you have the balance shaft chain here. As you can see, those are the ones that make noise. So when you go to take the chains out for the timing chains, you got to take, this is the tensioner that goes through. It's a 32 millimeter. It's the same size as the oil filter, or an 1.25 inches. I'm just doing the timing chain, so, but you got to get that out to get the slack off the chain. So if you're doing it in the car, the gasket goes behind the motor mount. So instead of taking it off, you can just cut top of the gasket and pull it off. And then when you get your new one, just cut that out of the way and on it goes.